Most frequent complaints from the users about the SSRS reporting experience are about the challenges that I've marked in red here. That's why Microsoft mainly focused on these points when they supported configurable business documents on the top of electronic reporting as a new reporting option for D365F&O. But let's not forget how frustrating the lengthy communication cycle and multiple communication cycles also can be. It is because you need a developer for the format design. Remember the 3 roles that are involved in the process, and this is how they typically communicate. End user prints out the report and marks the required changes, then sends such screenshot to a functional consultant. It can look something like this. Functional consultant reviews the requirement. In some cases, consultant goes back to end user to clarify the requirement or ask for a justification. When the 2 of them agree on the requirement, functional consultant forwards the requirement in the same or modified form to a developer. Developer perhaps needs further clarification from a functional consultant. Sometimes developer also needs a help from a functional consultant to prepare the data or even F&O setup, as required by the scenario they are now supporting. Only then developer can implement the requested modification, build and deploy a new report version. Once developer finishes their work, they let the functional consultant know that the new version is available on a dev environment. If functional consultant is satisfied with the result, change will go with the next code deployment to UAT, where user can test and give a feedback. If there was a miscommunication or user finds that the result is not satisfying or maybe not visually appealing, and by the way, chances are 100% that this will happen, then there will be another cycle of communication and modification through the same chain of commands. Sometimes there will be even more cycles because something new is discovered in the process, some new idea comes to someone's mind, something in the design in some corner case displays incorrectly, and so on and so on. Finally, when user approves the UAT version, modified report will wait for the next code deployment to production. As you can see, the whole process lasts long and involves many resources. I have personally never seen a single SSRS layout modification request that was done in one cycle. As a result, no one is happy. Developers don't like the non-intuitive tool, SSRS Designer. Implementation partner resources spend a significant time on even the simplest requirements. If partner charges the actual effort, clients are surprised, and even if partners charge a half of what was spent, clients don't understand why. It is a clear lose-lose situation for all involved parties. As a conclusion, for end users watching this video, you have just seen the explanation why you shouldn't be surprised next time when your implementation partner charges you 2 or 4 or 8 hours for adding a new field to the report. And for partners watching this video, please share it with your clients.